Furniture Making and Design is a course that focuses on design and build. Students can enter the course from Intro to Architecture to Interior Design, as well as Wood and Metals. It's a DIY course, but students get to design and create what they want. Students create a plan of procedure, they sketch out different ideas, and then we bring it into the software, and then we actually take the idea and put it into a real project. Students learn about different types of wood and different types of materials to bring their projects into reality. Students get to design projects and use what they've designed and fabricate it through machines like the CNC, plasma cam, and laser cutter.